emergency. We are suffer round here, man.
What up, everybody? This is my first reaction to Pontiac DDG family, you know what I'm saying? So let me see how the man's skills is on the rapping on the microphone, man. Because Jamaica, you know me have skills in the singing classes of Mr. Jamaica, man. Lord of mercy, man. You know what I'm saying? Way back. You go on my channel, you can check out my first song, man. It's a #1 hit, man. Anyway, let's get into the reaction of DDG, man. You know what I'm saying? This diss track, man. Let's go, man.
These niggas hating on my grind, dog. These niggas hating on my grind, dog. For 3 years, bitch, I did vlogs. I show these broke niggas how to ball. Go and cop the rollie that's full of ice. They say my wrist too bright. Wrist froze, temperature 0 Fahrenheit. You ain't make it on your own, and that's facts, right? Bitch, you know you wouldn't be shit if it wasn't for rice. Y'all in my comments hating, nigga, I don't hear it. I average 30 million views, I don't think that nigga near it. Look at me now, driving hybrid engineering, telling me he making diss tracks like I'm finna fear it. I don't know why this nigga still on my dick. Stupid nigga think he finna get rich off Twitch. Penthouse I ate, bitch, I bought that shit. Don't ever do another video with them beat ass kicks. Got the beamer off the lot, we're the gray one. In your video, you ain't had no bread ones. No ones, all hundreds.
Mercy, man. You dissed him, man. Hard.
You ain't even got no hoes. You ain't
never have dirty shoes in the video, man.
You be walking, you ain't whipping. You are not black, you are white. Stop saying nigga. You are not popping. All your views came from rich chicka. This in Team 10, yeah, that be hitting millions if I did the same shit. 1 week, 20 million. I'm Mayweather. You a McGregor ass nigga. Rice, can I sleep over? Oh, faggot ass nigga. TDC squad. Ain't it a blessing? We made it to 1 meal after all that happened. After the college life, after the essence, after missing the vlogs cause I was stressing. It's DDG, bitch, I'm the greatest at this rap shit. Fuck this, you a dumb bitch.
Ooh, Lord of mercy, kill it, man, kill it.
In my hair, nephew, you said that already and that shit lame. You broke, you cannot afford to be in Cloud Gang. Hundreds on me, stack them up, big bank bills blue. Let your girl wet overnight like she mildew. Pontiac, Michigan, my motherfucking origin. We got shooters, you a bitch, you from Oregon. Who said I can't diss? You just heard a lot from them. Better check them old videos, it's a lot of them. You diss Team 10 cause you see the cloud in them. You're a cloud chasing, I can see the old rice in him. Why you reaching, leave them white boys alone? You are not in the hills, take your stupid ass home. DDG squad, reassemble, then we go attack. I just said my tongue gang strong like I'm Flight Reacts. You are not black if you never get ashy. As your bitch if she want the dick. Cash nasty, I stop keeping on my neck, I'm flashing. I'll fuck your bitch and have her screaming like Dash. It's DDG, I'm the greatest at this shit. Niggas shoot where I'm from, I ain't talking about no skits. What's gonna leave your ass alone, but your fans may be pissed. With your bitch and my lips ain't the only thing she kissed. Come out the closet, this God, I know you fucking gay. And I know damn well Rice ain't hitting Summer Rae. How many diss tracks you write just for Rice today? Ain't get a dime from them shit, that's underpaid. That's underpaid. Yeah, that's underpaid. Yeah, nigga, I'm the real disc guy, bitch. Let's get it.
What can I say? DDG killed this, man. Nice lyrics, man. From Mr. Jamaica to you, man. If you ever want to do a song with Mr. Jamaica, let me know, man. They definitely kill this track with you, man. Anytime somebody try to diss you and you got skills like this, mad skills, man. They cannot mess with DDG, man. Anyway, this is Mr. Jamaica. I reacted to the video. I loved it. My first reaction on my show. You know, Mr. Jamaica don't react to nothing usually, man. I'm original, man. Jamaica, from Jamaican Islands, man. This is what I do, man. I do everything, man. From curry chicken, I mix it in the pot, man. What is wrong with you people? This is Mr. Jamaica. I'm back, I told you, man. Be back. Out of mercy, the blood clot, man. Don't mess with Jamaica. Anyway, have a good day, man. Peace, love, and blessings, man. Me out. Yeah, man.